In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF document in Canva. Okay, so it's completely free of charge. You can upload a PDF and you can make changes to it directly. So let's go ahead and say create a new project. Assuming I'm on my Canva, I've logged in. I can come down here to upload. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the folder PDF document. Assuming, let's say I'm going to work on this design and I can import it. As you can see, it has finished importing. It's about 15 pages. So let's click on it. So as it is right now, it is editable in any form. You can zoom out so that you can be able to see clearly. You can be able to click on any section. You can edit the text. If you are interested in editing the text, you can remove some sections of it, and you can add also some section of it as well. Okay, so you can edit, you can add, you can select. You have all of these basic editing features. You can change the font style, you can change the size, and you can even change the coloration if you're interested. You can bold some sections, you can italize, you can underline, you can strike through if you're interested in striking through, you can see, and you can even change the captions depending on if you have selected. Okay, you can change the alignment, and you can even play around with the bulleting points if you are bulleted some sections, and you can advanced settings like letter spacing and line spacing. You can do all of that if you select a particular range of text from there. You'll be able to change many more settings directly. You can play around with the effects, opacity, effects in the text, and animation, okay, and position as well. And you can do copy style of a particular text and paste it somewhere. So this is very easy. You can edit any PDF document once you upload it into Canva, or you can drag and drop it. You can continue to edit it, and once you are done, you can go ahead and export, go to share, come to download, and you can specify PDF standard. That is the best for printing, and you can specify the number of page or pages and just go ahead and say download, and this is now going to download your edited PDF document. Mind you, you can edit even images. Once you select, you will be able to see that you can edit the image in terms of the features that it has with all of these basic editing tools, okay, styles and match apps and so on. You can do shadow effects changes, you can remove background, you can use eraser, and you can even change the background as well, or you can do stroke style or corner rounding to the edges, or you can crop or flip it accordingly. If you want to flip horizontal, you should be able to flip horizontal over. Opacity, effects, animation, position, you can do all of this even on images, and you can upload other elements like images or videos and add to your PDF document. And like I said, once you are done here, you can go to download PDF standard, and you can just download this, and it's going to be available on your system as an edited PDF file. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.